everyone, I'm Lucy and welcome back to a brand new video. As you can probably tell from the title and the state of my hair, we've got another hair tutorial for you guys. So I'm going to be testing the Goo Goo hair extensions, and this time I'm doing a good ponytail tutorial review demo kind of thing. We all know I love a good ponytail hair extension over on this channel, and I've also already tested out their clip-in hair extensions, which are literally my favourite hair extensions I've ever tried, and they look so good. So I'll link that video down below in the description box, and I also have a discount code for you guys which is Lucy10, and that should get you a discount on your order. So definitely take advantage of that, but we may as well just get straight on into the video and I'll show you the ponytail. I've just taken the ponytail out of the box. It came in like a little plastic bag and had some netting on it, but this is the gorgeous shade that I picked up. All the details will be down in the description box again for which ponytail that I have picked up. This is the 20-inch one, and I've already got a 22-inch ponytail before from a different brand and a 16-inch one, and I feel like I need to also mention that this is 100% Remy hair, which means that I can curl it, straighten it, do whatever I want with it style wise, and it'll be absolutely fine. But I would still suggest using heat protectant on it. And then I also got this little bag of goodies that came with it, and I love to kind of just keep my hair extensions in this little bag when I'm not using them. It's just so useful and helpful. But inside this bag they had this little notebook, and it kind of goes through details on how to use your hair extensions and everything. I'm not sure if the ponytail is kind of new because they don't actually mention this in this booklet, unfortunately, but I'm going to show you guys how to clip in your ponytail, so you don't need to worry about that. The next little thing in the bag is the lifetime hair accessory replacement guarantee. So if you've got a clip broken, a fish wire problem, or the hair tape stops working, then they will replace you with like all the info on this, and you can just contact them and they'll sort any issues out. And then they also have like such a cute pair of lashes. I'm not actually wearing lashes today. I wear lashes so regularly, and these ones are so pretty and like wispy and everything like that. So I feel like I need to actually plan a time and place to actually wear this, maybe with my new ponytail, and we can just kind of live our best lives. So we got like the cutest little scrunchie ever, and I feel like I need to do a close-up so you can kind of see all the like the details to it. I love a good scrunchie, and this one is so cute, and I love the fact that it's white as well, so it will kind of match anything and everything. And then the next thing we got was a little Goo Goo hair clip, which these hair clips are so grippy and so good. I love the fact that it kind of flexes here as well. Like, I use my other one so regularly, so it's great to have two so I can section each side of my hair when I need to. And then finally we've got two little black hair grips, which are really long, just to kind of secure the ponytail in place when we are done with it. The only thing that I feel like is slightly missing from this is hair bubbles, because you need to tie your hair up in a ponytail first to then secure it in place, unless I'm meant to just clip my hair up in this or whatnot. I'm not too sure, but luckily I do have some hair bubbles which I can use to kind of clip my hair up in a ponytail. So I may as well get straight on into this tutorial and show you guys how to actually clip this ponytail in. So to start off with, we want to put our hair into a nice ponytail, and this is what we're going to secure the other ponytail onto later on. I'm just going to leave these little bits down here so that it frames my face and just makes me look a little bit better, but you can also like scrape the whole thing back and literally just play around on how you like your ponytail to look. So like I say every time, I'm doing this without a mirror, so it is a little bit difficult. And like these little flyaway bits here, you can obviously use hairspray, but because my hair is freshly washed, I don't want to put too much hairspray in it. And you can also like gel the bits back. They are just like my quick tips. So I just use like a standard hair bubble for the first like ponytail to put in, and this is the sit of my ponytail on how kind of pathetic it looks and everything. I'm not too much of a fan of my hair like this because my hair is naturally curly, so it's got a mind of its own. But this is why I also love ponytails, because you can just hide your bad hair day and messy hair and you're all good. So next up, I'm just taking the little ponytail, twisting it round into a bun, just because I find this adds like a little bit more height and makes the ponytail a little bit more secure. But you can also just keep it as the ponytail or add like another step above the ponytail just to make it kind of look good. So we're looking absolutely fabulous right now, and with our little bun in our head, it's super secure. And then the ponytail itself, we've got like this little clip here, and this little clip wants to go flat against your head through the back of the bun, and then we'll wrap both sides round because we've got Velcro this side and this side. So the ponytail more or less wraps around the bun and then Velcros into place. And then this little excess hair, you just kind of wrap it round to hide the little Velcro and everything like that, and then secure it in place with the grips that have been provided. I'm going to go through step by step, but just thought I'd talk you through it first. So get the little grip, make sure it's flat against your head so that it doesn't dig in, because sometimes the weights of some ponytails can be quite much. Whereas like I think this one's quite light, so it's not as bad. And then you've got like this little excess bit, wrap it round, and like you can kind of hear that it's velcroed together, and we're just going to pull that round. And then this little excess hair, just continue to wrap it round the top. And then we're going to get the hair grips that we got earlier. So I've got this one. I'm just going to grip it underneath the hair. So this is why it doesn't really matter that they're black and won't match my hair too much. I lose hair grips all the time anyway, but I just kind of grip it underneath my hair so then you can't see the hair grips. And then that is pretty much it. And the ponytail is in, and I absolutely love it. I don't think that I've done it too far up either, because sometimes I put my ponytail in way too high and it just looks horrendous. Whereas like I think this is quite a nice height and sturdiness, like it's not going to come out. The lengthwise for the 20-inch is actually really nice as well. I feel like it's just so nice to have new hair extensions, and these ones are so soft and so good as well. Like the hair extensions, there's nothing that beats getting new hair extensions because they're always just so soft and so nice. But I feel like to add a little bit more volume to this ponytail, I probably would curl the ends a bit. Even like a crimped ponytail I think would look so cool with like the front bits of my hair crimped as well. The length, if I pull it to the front of me, kind of like working with to about this length. And then at the back, this is what the ponytail kind of looks like, and I'm so obsessed with it. Like I feel like the colour is just such a nice match to my hair, even though I've probably used a little bit too much purple shampoo around the front of my hair, so it is a little bit more ashy. And we all know that I need a good roots touch up, because I hate actually booking into hairdressers because I just can't be bothered to sit there and get my hair re-dyed. But I know I really need to just book in and get it done. So yeah, absolutely love this ponytail. I feel like every time I get hair extensions I literally cannot stop touching it. But yeah, this ponytail is so nice. It's lightweight, so it's not like dragging you down as well. I hate ponytails that are like too heavy and then you get like a bit of a headache wearing it too much, whereas this one's like absolutely perfect. So yeah, this is the side profile again, just to kind of show you what it looks like. So now I've got the ponytail in, I thought I might as well just put the scrunchie in and show you guys what it actually looks like in. I do like the length of it, like the 20-inch is actually really nice, and I like the length now it's in. But then again, I kind of feel like I do want to try a shorter one out as well. So yeah, let me know if you want me to do that. The way that I found to put a scrunchie in is that you just thread it through once instead of like try and make it tight, because the top is quite thick anyway. So this is what it looks like with the scrunchie in. I feel like I always have to put my head down so that you can see it, but I absolutely love this finished look, and I think the scrunchie is literally so cute. I don't tend to like wrap it around the scrunchie either. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you did enjoy this video and found it useful and informative. If you've got any questions, just leave them down in the comment section down below and I will get back to you and hopefully help you guys out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another video.